Shopify Store Design Full Course Part 1. Hello, my respected audience. I hope you are all doing great. Many of you have been asking me the same question. How can I design a completely professional Shopify store using a free Shopify theme? The truth is, many beginners believe that building a professional looking Shopify store requires an expensive premium theme. However, that's not true. With the right design strategy and proper customization, you can create a premium quality store using a completely free theme. And that's exactly why I am launching this Shopify Store Design Full Course series, where I will show you step by step how to build and design a professional Shopify store from start to finish. Throughout this series, we'll cover everything from store setup, theme customization, homepage design, collection pages, product page, mobile optimization, branding, and many other essential elements that make a store look professional and trustworthy. Today's video is part 1 of this series, so I highly recommend watching the entire video carefully and practicing each step on your own store as we move forward. Whether you are planning to start a dropshipping business or a print on demand business, this series will provide valuable knowledge and practical skills that can help you build a strong foundation. In today's video, we will show you question number 1, how to create a store and choose a store name. Question number 2, how to set up your store address, payment method, shipping and delivery, and domains. Question number 3, how to add store all policy. Question number 4, how do I add a theme? So without wasting any more time, let's get started and learn how to create a professional Shopify store using a completely free theme. Let's go. So first of all, open your Windows, then click your Shopify account and log in your Shopify account. Okay, click store, then create store. Wait, this is dev store and client transfer store. I highly recommend is client transfer. Okay, and type your store name. My store name, real legends. This is fishing store. Fishing needs. So store name, real legends. Then country, select country USA, United States. Okay, don't click. Are you building a Shopify Plus store for your client? And then create a store. Wait just few seconds. Login. Loading. So finally, uh, this is my store name, real legends. So finally I create my store and my store name, real legends. Okay, one number complete. How to create a store and choose a store name. This question is complete. Question number 2, how to set up your store address, payment methods, shipping and delivery, and domains. So uh, open your Shopify, then click settings. Wait, click settings, then scroll. This is your store address, company name, address, apartment suite, city, state, zip code, then save. Okay, then scroll your backup region United States. My backup region United States. Unit system, empire system, pound. This is pound. Okay, then time zone, GMIT, your country time zone. Order ID format. Okay, then payments. Click payments section and scroll add payment method. Then search your payment, PAYPL, your payment name. Okay, then click, then install. Okay, install and save. Next, domain. Click domains. Uh, this is my domain's name. Change your domain. Click change your domain, then your domain address, paste, then add domain. So domain is complete. Number 2 question is complete. Question number 3, how to add store all policy. Click your Shopify and settings. Click settings, then scroll. This is policies. Click policy, return and refund policy. Click return and refund policy, then insert template. Click this is return and refund policy, then publish. Next, privacy policy. Privacy policy, okay. Then term of service. Click term of service and insert template. uh, Entire business address, insert business phone number, insert business registration number, insert VAT number. Then you customize, no problem. You can customize this page, term of service, then publish. Next, shipping policy. Click shipping policy. uh, shipping policy. uh, Search ChatGPT. uh, write me write me write me a shipping policy for my store in USA. This is shipping policy. mm, Copy and paste. Shipping policy last. Okay, then publish. Next, contact information. Click contact information, then insert template, uh, your trade number, your trade name, phone number, email, physical address, VAT number, trade number, then publish. Next, legal notice. Click legal notice. This is important, but I fill up this legal notice. Control C. Write me legal notice. This legal notice. Copy and paste. Legal notice. Last update June 2026. Then publish. Okay, complete all policies. Now, question number 4, how do I add a theme? So let's go your store and click online store. Loading this page, wait a few seconds. Okay, then scroll, visit theme store, then click price, theme free. I like server theme, so click server theme, then try theme. Wait, add server to your online store theme. Server theme, I like server theme because this is very customized. Okay, this is server theme. Server theme. This is server theme. Then click publish. Then publish. This is server theme. Server theme publish. Click edit. Okay, publish server theme. Question number 4 is complete.